Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to be talking about limiting our results. And if we look at this now, when I do select start from countries, I get all 13 countries. And someone might say give me 2 countries with region ID 1. And if I do something like select star from countries where region ID equals 1, this actually gives me all the countries with region ID 1, which is 4 countries right here. And the question was to just give 2 countries with region ID 1. And a simple way to do this is to just add the limit clause here. And what I can do is I can just say limit and then give a number, let's say 2. And if I run this now, it gives me just 2 countries, the first two which are Bhutan and China. So that's about the limit clause. And what I can do is I can also combine the limit clause with my order by clause, or maybe some other clauses as well, but we'll look at how we do it, how we combine it with the order by clause. So if we look at the tables now, I've also created a currencies table, and let's just look at the entries there. Select star from currencies, and if I run this, it gives me some 5 currencies and their equivalent in USD. So basically this is 1 USD equivalent is 0.81 Great Britain pound. So what I want to do is I just want the strongest currency that I have in my table. And to do that, what I can do is I can say select star from currencies, and then I know that the strongest currency will have the lowest USD value. So what I do is I say order by value USD, and I want this to be ascending, so that part is already taken care of. And then I say limit 1, and this should give me just the Great Britain pound. So if I run this now, as you can see, I've got just the Great Britain pound. And if someone tells me I want just the weakest currency, all I have to do is I have to add the DESC here, and I'm done. If I do this now, it gives me the Pakistani rupee, which was the weakest currency in my table. So that's how the limit clause works, the limit keyword. And in the previous video, we took a look at the order of evaluation, and we saw that it's done from, and then where, and then the select, and then the order by. And where does the limit come here? In this one, and the limit just comes at the end. So after it's done with the ordering, it does the limiting. And that actually makes sense, because if it had done the limiting earlier on itself, before the order by or something, then we wouldn't have got this. This is only possible because it does the ordering by this USD value first, and then gives us the top one, which is the limit 1 that I'm saying here. So that's where the limit clause fits in. And that's basically about limiting our results. And in the next video, we'll look at a few more clauses, so stay tuned for it.